Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel Online Khan Market. Are you searching for the best SSC coaching in your city, Bangalore? Then you should definitely watch this video till the end, as I'll be discussing with you top 5 institutes for best SSC preparations in your city, Bangalore. Before moving to the video, kindly subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon below. So without any further delay, let us move to the video. At rank 1, we have Plutus Academy. Plutus Academy is one of the largest growing online coaching class in India. Study materials and video classes are best which this institute provides. Further, Plutus Academy provides best and updated study material to the students. It provides coaching which is available with recorded lectures and video facilities. Plutus Academy has experts and well-experienced faculty. In addition to this, online test series provided by the Academy is completely a best test series. Okay, the contact number of the institute is 0120-430-8958 and the fee structure for SSC coaching includes Rs 13,000 for 3 to 4 months and the batch size of the institute includes 10 to 15 students in a batch. At rank 2, we have the Hindu Zone Coaching. The Hindu Zone arranges demos of the preferred coachings by the students. Their investment is precious to you as well as to them. You will be assigned with a mentor for the whole year who will guide you the approach towards examination. Also, in choosing right study material, evaluation of test series or any other doubt you want to discuss, you can do that freely. They will assure you to take the right path and help you in reaching your goal. You can connect to the institute by going to their website, which is www.thehinduzone.com. Many students are in mere confusion about where to invest, which will be the best academies for them, where they will get the exact quality of education they are looking for. So, the Hindu Zone provides completely free of cost counseling session. Yes, you heard it right. The Hindu Zone listen to the requirements of the students, their area of concerns, and then the expert mentors advise them the top institutes according to their needs. Moving towards our rank 3 institute, we have Career Power Institute. Career Power is one of the most reputed institution in Bangalore. Career Power provides coaching for SSC and also provides coaching for other examinations. They provide best content or study material to their students. Further, dedicated teachers and excellent teaching methods guide for betterment of the students. And Career Power also provides video classes to the students who are unable to join the classroom courses. Okay friends, now let us discuss the contact details of the institute. So, the address of Career Power Bangalore is Career Power Rajalakshmi Jewellers, 1st floor, 9th main 3rd block, Jayanagara, Bengaluru, Karnataka 560011. Their contact number is 082967752221. Okay, now let us discuss the fee structure and the batch size. So, the fee structure for SSC coaching is Rs 9,000. This is classroom course, and the video class course is 15,000 and the duration is 4 to 5 months. The batch size of the institute includes 20 students in a batch. Okay, at rank 4, we have Career Launcher Institute. Career Launcher is one of the leading coaching center in Bangalore for SSC preparation. It focuses on various segments of education. Faculty members in this institute are extremely talented and they have passion to train students to achieve success. This institute has shaped many lives of candidates in its 19 years of existence. Furthermore, Career Launcher also provides online video classes to the students for their convenience. Okay friends, now let us discuss the address and the other details of the institute. So, the address of Career Launcher Institute includes building number 431 and 32, 3rd floor, Shubhashri Mahendra Tower, 11th Main Road, 3rd block, Jayanagara, 4th T block, East, Bengaluru, Karnataka 560011. The contact number is 08041505590 and the batch size of the institute includes 20 to 25 students in a batch. So friends, the last institute we will be discussing in this video, which is also our rank 5 institute, is Mahindra's Educational Private Limited. Mahindra's provides coaching for SSC and also for other examinations like banking, railway and all the other competitive examination. Teaching method is different as they use traditional techniques of teaching with the digital world. Mahindra's provides study material to the students that help them in their preparation. Further, Mahindra's also provide online test series. Okay, now let's discuss the address and the other details. So, the address of Mahendra's Educational Private Limited includes 178-5 Lakshmi Chambers 8F Main above Abhushan Dwellers, 3rd Block Jayanagara, Bangalore, Karnataka 560011. Their contact number is 095387-12808 and the fee structure of the institute for 3.5 or 4 month is 6,700 rupees and this is for SSC. The batch size of the institute includes 25 to 30 students in a batch. So friends, these were our top 5 institutes for best SSC preparations in your city, Bangalore. I hope you have got enough knowledge and information regarding all these institutions. For more updates and information like this, kindly subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon below so you will not miss any updates from the channel. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end.